Alright, so I think this is recording. I always have trouble with these videos, either recording the video or recording the audio. Sometimes it just doesn't want to cooperate. Alright, so we're looking here in Skill Packet 5 at logarithmic functions and exponential functions. And here in this homework assignment, we're trying to work with the properties of logarithms. The exponential function and log functions are inverses of each other. Their domain and range has switched. The domain of any exponential function is all real numbers. And so now I know that the range of any log function is always all real numbers. So it doesn't ask me that first, but I don't have to answer these in the order that they ask them. When I see the range of a log function, I immediately write down that it's all real numbers. Now, to determine the domain on these transformations, now I'm starting to get more than one transformation. Just take that argument, 8x plus 1, and set it equal to 0 and solve this for x. And divide here by 8. We don't have any, we don't have a negative sign in front of the x, so we don't have a reflection across the y-axis. So this log function has the plus 1 is actually a shift to the left 1, and then the 8 is actually a horizontal shrink. Boy, man, it is pouring. I heard thunder. It is pouring out there. Alright, I'm going to stay here and make even more videos because I'm not walking out to the truck. I'm not going to drown walking out to the truck. Alright, so since there is no reflection across the y-axis, my domain is negative 1/8 to infinity. Okay, and this negative 1/8, that's my vertical asymptote. Real close to the y-axis, but slightly to the left. To find the x-intercept, you let y equal 0. So this equation is in logarithmic form, and to solve it, let's rewrite this in exponential form. Let's identify the base. It's right here is 2. This 2 is going to have an exponent associated with it, and the logarithm equals the exponent, so this is 2 to the 0 power. By definition, 2 to the 0 power is just 1. So we've got 8x plus 1 equals 1, so this 8x has to be 0. In other words, this x has to be 0. This graph is passing through the origin. Alright, so hey, I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.